Hi, it's me. My name is Jeffrey Kaplan. This is what I look like. Or this photo's like a little old. My hair is a little bit thinner than it was. But anyway, I'm an assistant professor here at the University of North Carolina at Greensboro. And this is just a very short video where I talk about this, Canvas, which is the learning management software that I use for my online courses here at UNCG. Or really, this isn't about Canvas. This is about something else, the Canvas app. Like they make apps for your phones or your tablets or whatever. But these apps are bad. They're terrible, terrible things. And although I think Canvas is fine, the app is a terrible thing and you should delete it immediately. And in the next few seconds, I'm going to explain why. Okay, here we are. We're looking at the Canvas page for one of my courses. This is, as you can see at the top of the page, Philosophy 119, but I structure all of my courses the same, and I'm going to use this video for all my courses, so you might be in a different course. But when you're on the home page, and that's where everything happens on the home page of the Canvas site, you'll see that the first item on this page, right there in the middle, it's called Page Directing Students to the Syllabus, but I'm going to change that name in the future. It'll be called Click Here or something like that. Anyway, that first page is in black. That's because it's the only thing you can click on, right? You have to complete that page before you do Quiz S, which is the syllabus quiz, right? You have to do everything in order. I've designed the course that way so that, I'm structuring the course so that students get the information in the right order so that they don't get confused and they understand the prior material before the later material. That's how the course works because I'm good at designing courses. Okay, how do I make this thing into a video? I want to scroll down. Okay, here we are. Now we're scrolling, right? There's tons more stuff in this course. There are readings and quizzes and videos and all sorts of things. And as you can see on the home page here, you can tell what order everything comes in. And as you progress, things will turn black. You can click on more items, but you can see the order. That's not the same for the app. Here is a screenshot of the app that a student sent me, right? This student is looking at all the quizzes in a course, right? There's quiz P up at the top and then quiz R. Those are the quizzes that the student has submitted. You see those? It says submitted. And the student got a perfect score on each of them, a 4 out of 4 on the right. And then there's the rest of the quizzes. Quiz 1, Quiz E, Quiz 2. Don't worry about the details, but notice that they're all locked. And so the student doesn't know how to get those quizzes. They click on that locked quiz and it won't go in because it's locked. They can't see the order of the course. You see, if we go back here onto the Canvas website viewed in a browser, we can see that Quiz R, that's sort of towards the top, Quiz R happens. That's a quiz about how to read philosophy. Don't worry about that. And then there's some other stuff. There's a reading guide and then there's other things that you have to do before you get to Quiz 1. But when we go back to look at the app, we can't see that stuff, right? It just lists Quiz R, that's been submitted, and then Quiz 1. But Quiz 1 is locked, and we don't know how to get to Quiz 1. And the reason we can't get into that quiz is because there's other stuff that you have to do in between. But on the app, you can't see that. Like, it's super confusing. And the app doesn't have a good way to view the course in the order that it was meant to be taken. The app is a very bad thing, and you must delete it right now.